morning children. In this video I will show you about PowerPoint, chapter number 6, Introduction to MS PowerPoint. Now from the beginning I will show how to start PowerPoint, what are the components of the PowerPoint and how to create a slide, how to duplicate a slide, how to create an animation and ultimately how to save a slide. So let's start PowerPoint. As I am showing you people in Windows 10, therefore I am writing in the search box PowerPoint. PowerPoint app will open. First I will select blank presentation. Over here you will see this white area which is known as the slide, and two placeholders will be there. First one, click to add title, where you can write anything, any title. Say I am writing PowerPoint. And next one is the click to add subtitle. This subtitle placeholder I am writing online class. So this area is known as, this white portion is the slide and these are the placeholders. Now you can see at the top where presentation 1 is written, that is the title bar. Just left side of the title bar you can see some icons, and this toolbar is known as quick access toolbar. It contains save, undo, redo or repeat and start from beginning. This is the icon of slideshow. Just below it you will see some headings which are known as tabs, like file, home, insert, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, view, format. So these are the tabs, and if you click on file you can see a backstage view, and file menu contains new, open, save, save as, print, share, export, close, account options. Now this bar, this full bar is known as, or this full row is known as the ribbon. It contains tabs, and these are the tabs: home, insert, file, design, transition, etc. These are the tabs, and these are the groups: clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing. These are the groups. So this is the slide, and next you see how to bring a new slide. So from home tab select new slide. A new slide will appear. Now if I don't want this placeholder, I can delete it easily by clicking on it and pressing the delete button from the keyboard, like this. Delete. Then you can see a blank slide will appear, and you can write here in two ways, using two ways, one through text box, another through word art. So anything you can write through word art also. So I am writing good evening. So I can write anything like that, and I can insert a picture also. From which menu? From insert menu. So go to insert, from there choose pictures, any picture I can insert. To insert the picture, I'll have to go to insert, pictures, and I have to select a picture, so I am selecting this picture and I have to click insert. The picture will come, but it will block the text good evening. As you can see, it is blocking the text good evening, so I'll have to right click on the picture and I'll have to select send to back. Then writing will come at the front and the picture will be shown at the back. Next, to duplicate any slide, you will have to right click on the slide and select duplicate slide option. See, another slide will come. Yes. So now I'll show you how to save a file. From file, you will choose save option. Save, choose desktop, and you can write anything on the desktop, say evening. The file will be saved with the extension .ppt on the desktop. So I am saving it. It will be saved on the desktop. Now I can show you that this is the file. So how to open it again? Just double click on the file. As you can see, this was the file. And to run the slideshow, you will have to press F5. From the keyboard, if you press F5, you can run the slideshow, and you can use the arrow keys also to move from one slide to another slide, like this. Last one was the duplicate slide. And to come out, to exit the or end the slideshow, simply press escape button, escape, ESC. To change the background color of the slide, right click on the slide, choose format background option. From there you can choose gradient fill. From there any two color also you can mix. Let me, okay. From here linear, okay, gradient you can mix. Choose the second color, you can mix like this. Or any solid fill also you can give. Here the color is white, you can choose, click on the color button at the corner, choose any color, that will be the color of the slide. And from okay, let me bring another slide. How to bring another slide? New slide, home tab, new slide. So here, say I want to bring a design, click on design, and you can choose any template from here, from themes. Any template of your choice you can choose. That design or template will come. Let me choose this one. Yes, see, that will come. And to exit from PowerPoint, choose file, close. That's all for today, dear children. Next class I'll show you some animations and one rectification. When the PowerPoint file will be saved, it will be saved with the extension .pptx. Thank you. Have a nice day.